Hello and welcome to Mostly Vintage Cameras. This is not the sort of video I normally make, but I'm at the Global Birdfair in Leicestershire this weekend and I've just come across a really exciting and innovative product which Harry from Revolve Tripods is now going to demonstrate for us.
Hiya, so the Revolve tripod. So we're a company that makes composites and we've developed a really unique tripod which is a really compact tripod. So in this bag, which you can see fits in my hand, you've got a small tripod but also a full-size tripod. The way that it works is that we've developed a very unique composite which is called a rollable composite, and here you have the legs of the tripod which simply unroll into a solid tube. So you essentially have three sizes. You have your small tripod that you can use on a ledge, in a hide, on a wall, wherever you go. And then you have a smaller size of tube, which is your medium sitting position, or a longer tube for more of a standing position. And the way that it works is you simply assemble it by unrolling each tube, and the tripod itself is the base that you use for all of them. So you simply twist off the leg or the foot, connect the foot to the bottom of the tube, connect it into the tripod, and repeat the process twice. To build your tripod. So here you have about a 1.3 meter tripod which can adjust the center column. You can play on the angle of the legs depending on the level of the ground. And it will take up to 40 kilos. You can pack it up, carry on your shoulder, and once you're done, you just simply remove the legs with a simple push release button here. Remove the feet.
That's the world premiere of the film Gone Feral in Osprey.
You roll the tubes back up. Super simple, really easy. They've got a natural shape, so you don't need to squeeze it. Just roll it up. And again. And then the feet just lock back on with a simple quarter turn. Locked. Locked. And done.
That's a beautiful demonstration, thank you Harry. And how much does the whole thing weigh?
The whole kit weighs about 2.2 kilos. So that includes the small tripod, the head assembly, the long legs, the small legs, the bag, and you also have a small toolkit so you can tighten with an Allen key. We also have some accessories that you can put on the bottom of the feet, so if you're going to be on a bit like soft ground, we've got some 2-3 inch spikes that spike into the ground, so it can really give you a lot of stability. You also have a small hook you can hook under here, so weigh it down with the bag in case you've got some windy conditions, and it's really stable. So yeah, it's a great small piece of kit if you're going to be traveling anywhere. The great perk is that you can have it as carry-on luggage on a plane, so you don't have to worry about checking it in. You can just put it in your bag, go through security, and wherever you go you've got any size of tripod.
Fantastic, thank you so much. I think we're just about to put it to a bit of a test and test out those claims for its weight capacity.
Let's go for it.
So being at the bird fair has a great advantage that there's quite a lot of kit around that I'm able to borrow, and fortunately I was able to borrow the biggest lens I think I've ever seen. I think this is a pretty industrial test of the Revolve tripod. And what we're going to do is just spin this around. This incidentally is a Benro BH2 gimbal head, quite an old head now, and you can see as it spins there's no torsional rotation in the apex of the tripod, which is quite impressive. And of course, being a gimbal, we can do that sort of movement as well. It's not quite balanced properly, but that's okay. So a very practical, very lightweight. The thing that really struck me about this was how lightweight the tripod was, not just how compact it is. So if you wanted to take that off to Skomer or somewhere, it would be a great choice. I was really bowled over by this. I don't normally talk about tripods and accessories, just old cameras, but I was so impressed with this I just wanted to quickly make a video about it.